For this design, I am doing 2 layers, so relatively simple. And I'm going to embed a beehive on the bottom and a bee on the top. So this is my beehive. So that's going to go in here. And then I will put the bee on the top portion. And I over stick blended this. I wanted it to set up, so I stick blended it a lot. I might have stick blended it just a tad too much. It's okay. I can make this work. I'm just gonna do a mica line in between the layers. This bottom layer is kind of this gold brown, so that the hive stands out. And then the top layer, I'm gonna do kind of a natural, just this color discolors, kind of the fragrance I should say discolors to kind of a yellowish. So I'm kind of going to just work with that natural coloring and then add some ground oatmeal to it and add the bee. So I'm just going to use some of my royal gold mica from Just Pigments. This is just a tea strainer. Can you see the texture that was created from using the sealer gun? I think it's cool, the kind of swirl of the mica that was created and the texture that is on top. I like it. I said I'm playing around with all of this mica and blowing and kind of creating that abstract art feel. And I'll see what kind of results, how it works. This time I used less mica and oil mixture to see what I would get. Okay, and it's my bee and the hive. Oh, I think it's cute. It's Design wise, just 2 simple layers with a mica line in between. I thought about doing gold, but since that had like the gold tones in, I decided to go with brown. This bottom half is smooth, the top half I put no color, and I did add ground oatmeal. But I think it's cute. My bee got a little bit squished on that side. This was the first bee I put together on that side, and it was a learning lesson when I was assembling the pieces. That one's a little better. And I like the hive and kind of the different color tones that I managed to achieve. I wasn't sure when I was doing it if it was gonna look good, but I think with the contrast now in the soap, it actually works. I like it. Let me know what you think.